Hello people, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sherry Mac and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made a simple egusi soup. Egusi soup is a Nigerian meal that is being enjoyed with eba, semo, or anything of your choice that you choose to. Here I'll be having some few ingredients I'll be using. Firstly, this is my protein, and also I'll be using onion to prepare this recipe. Onion is necessary for the egusi or melon, anyone you know. So also I'll be using a pinch of grinded pepper. I'll also be using nut cube. I'll be using 2 nut cube, depends on. Then I have my salt. Then I have my tomatoes paste, which is onion and pepper. Then this is my crayfish. Crayfish is a proteinous spice for my soup today. And also I'll be using also this onion and pepper paste to make my soup. And also, yeah, this is a taste of it. Come on guys, let's watch and see how to prepare this delicious egusi soup. Guys, this is my egusi or cod melon, and also I'll be using a few tomatoes, like small quantity of these tomatoes, and fresh pepper. I want to give it a different taste from the usual. And also I'll be using washed bitter leaf. Washed bitter leaf is very medicinal for the soup. And also I'll be using my ugu leaf. I'll write into the description what ugu leaves, the botanical name. And also this is my water leaf. Water leaf gives it a delicious and light, and makes it light. I don't want the soup to be very thick, so I want it very light. So I also have my periwinkle. Yeah, periwinkle is proteinous and is very good for the soup. And also you could see from my egusi, I'll be adding like a cup of water to the egusi firstly. Then I will add my onion to it. I'll mix it because the onion gives the egusi a special taste. Yes, all the spice will go. Yeah, I forgot, I already turned the oil. I bleached the oil. I don't want it to be very red. Then I added my pepper paste to the oil. Then also I added my tomatoes, grinded tomatoes. You could use about 3 spoons of tomatoes or 2 spoons of tomatoes, depends on what you want. But I used about 3 spoons of tomatoes. Yes, I will allow it to cook for within 5 to 7 minutes. Then I added my egusi or melon paste to the mix. So I will allow it to mix by using a wooden spoon to turn and turn so that I won't get burnt. So I will allow it to cook for like 10-15 minutes. And I added my meat stock. Yes, it's very proteinous, so all the proteins in the meat got to the stock. So I'll mix for properly so that it will get burnt, because if you leave it will get burnt. So I'll leave also again for some minutes to get boiled, so that by now you'll be feeling the aroma, you'll be smelling the aroma, like nice smell coming from the kitchen. Guys, also I'll be adding my periwinkle. I told you periwinkle is very proteinous for this food. And also I'll leave it to cook for some minutes. Then also I will add my crayfish, my seasoning cubes, and the dried pepper. I'll add everything. Look at my other crayfish, so marinate. Then I will have to mix it. Yeah, come on, keep watching. Guys, because the soup is not that much, I added my bitter leaf. I added just small bitter leaf, not everything you saw earlier on. from the video. I just added little so that the soup won't get very bitter, so I need that taste of being bitter a little. So also I'll be adding some other ingredients like the meat, like I added this protein. I added the protein before I added the vegetables. So the vegetables will be coming later on. So the vegetables is here. Firstly, I added the water leaf, then I added the ugu. So I want the water leaf to melt and give it that native taste. So it will make the soup to be a little bit light. So I don't want it to be very thick. Usually egusi soup or melon soup is usually very thick. I enjoy it being thick, but I don't want it to be thick, so I want it to be a little bit light. So that's what for the purpose of this water leaf. Guys, keep watching. Hey guys, bye, stay blessed and stay positive.